Hello everybody, Xiong. This is the Khang project from North Carolina. We did a contest for the Hmong Movement Concert, which will be held this Thursday at Lenior Fairgrounds, Caldwell County, Lenior, North Carolina, November 27th, 2008, from 7 to 12. A lot of guest singers, Duce Logo, Khang, Moua, DJ Kenny, Logic, Pagnia, Xiong from Wisconsin, the Concert Project, and much more. So you guys come out, and we're going to do the drawing for the contest.
And we're going to keep it brief because we only have 30 minutes to do it.
Okay, the first 5 will win free CDs. The last 5 will win 2 free tickets each to the concert this Thursday. And we're going to go ahead and draw. She's going to go ahead and draw the first.
Alright, the first winner of this first CD is Julie Yang. MySpace.com, waiting for an exit. Very nice MySpace URL.
Next one, free CD. MyC Lee, MySpace.com/XOXO MyC.
Third winner for the CD, Kajua Lee, on MySpace.com, Kajua Lee.
Okay, number 4, winner, Jua Cha, MySpace.com/Ruby_.
Fifth winner is Gantang Yingyuo. MySpace.com/01 Gauteng. Congratulations, Gauteng.
Okay, now we're going to move on to the 2 free tickets per person. First off, again, thanks everybody for joining. Alright, here it goes. Free ticket. Sarita Moua, MySpace.com/Matters. Oh, that's your name spelled backward.
Alright, second winner for tickets are Xiong. MySpace.com Xiong. Guess what? You're performing too. Very cool. Free concert tickets for you. To your own show.
Next, Khang, MySpace.com/ECUGirl09. Congratulations.
Next winner is Moua. MySpace.com/000 Honey. Honey.
Alright, last one. Everybody. Alright, last one goes to Brenda Her. MySpace.com/Brenda is glamorous. Congratulations to all 10 winners.
Brenda, you are glamorous.
Thanks for everybody who participated in this concert. We had over 50 people this time, so keep it coming. We'll have more future contests in the future. And everybody come out to the Hmong Movement Concert, November 27th, 2008, from 7 to 12 at Lenior Fairgrounds / Caldwell Fairgrounds. We'd like to say Happy Hmong New Year's to everybody. Shout out to Team Moua and VAM for making this awesome flyer.
Good job.
Yeah, thank you very much, and
Happy Hmong New Year.
goodbye.